Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we are going to make chicken lettuce wrap ramen. According to original recipe, we're supposed to use thin rice noodle to fry in high temperature canola oil. But we are not going to do that today because it takes too much oil, too much time. It's not easy to do it. So we are going to use Maruchan Ramen to create a crispy crunch noodle. Today we are going to need chicken breast, green onions, garlic, water chestnut, mushrooms, iceberg lettuce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, black pepper, sugar, water, sesame oil, canola oil, honey, vinegar, gochujang. This is Korean pepper, hot pepper paste. We are going to make that spicy sauce with these three ingredients today. Please keep lettuce in ice water for 30 minutes. Uh, this process makes lettuce crispy. And drain water and air fry Maruchan Ramen. And please check every 30 seconds and don't burn. Air fry ramen noodle until they become crunch and crush them and add on the plate. To make spicy sauce, add 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half spoon of gochujang. Mix them well. To make cooking sauce, 1/3 cup of water, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar, all same volume. In the meantime, cut green onions, water chestnut, mushrooms. Please cut small pieces. Minced garlic, and then cut chicken breast same size as other ingredients. Season chicken with black pepper and salt. Then we are going to cook chicken first. Keep high heat and fry chicken in the wok until the color becomes brown. Take the chicken out and mix with chestnut and mushrooms. Reheat the wok and add some canola oil, then add garlic and green onions. Cook about 30 seconds, then add other ingredients. Then add cooking sauce, and I added like 6 tablespoons, but it's up to you because I don't know how much chicken you're gonna use. You need to see the color and you need to adjust the amount of cooking sauce. Add little bit sesame oil in the wok when cooking is done. Plating time looks great. This way, you can make PF Chang style chicken lettuce wrap easily. And Maruchan Ramen, air fried Maruchan Ramen can replace fried thin rice noodle, which is very difficult to make. Also, you don't need that much oil to make like this. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.